Have you ever wanted an online business that can bring you financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom while impacting thousands of lives in a meaningful way? If so, then please pay close attention to this 5-minute video, because there's a very good chance that you already possess valuable knowledge, expertise, or skills that people around the world will be eager to pay for. You see, it's no secret that online learning is completely revolutionizing the education industry. Today, the best training programs, courses, and mentors are no longer exclusive to prestigious schools and institutions. Instead, they are now accessible to anyone in the world with an internet connection. And because of this new level of access, people no longer need to accept a one-size-fits-all solution to their problem. Instead, they can now choose to learn directly from mentors who they can relate to. Mentors who have accomplished what they wish to accomplish. Mentors who used approaches they can follow. And mentors who offer unique perspectives. For example, a new mother seeking to lose weight post-pregnancy won't need to read a generic nutrition textbook and piece it together herself. Instead, she can learn from other mothers who have been in her shoes and understand her specific struggles. Likewise, an entrepreneur looking to grow their business won't need to take Marketing 101 and try to figure out how those broad concepts apply to their specific industry. Instead, agency owners can learn directly from other agency owners. Freelancers can learn from other freelancers. Coaches can learn from other coaches, and so on. This trend applies to hard skills as well. For example, someone who wishes to learn how to code can take a course tailored to how much prior experience they have, how much time they have to study, which programming languages they prefer, and even which field they're interested in pursuing, such as data science, software engineering, or game development. So what does all of this mean for you? Well, all this demand for online learning options also means an explosion of opportunities for online learning businesses. In fact, the e-learning market is expected to grow from $190 billion to an even more massive $325 billion by the year 2025. And as I said earlier, there's a very good chance that you already possess knowledge, expertise, or skills that people will pay for. Because at the end of the day, you don't need to be a one-size-fits-all solution. You don't need to be everything for everybody. You simply need to leverage your unique experiences, perspectives, and ideas to carve out a slice of this rapidly growing market. The Online Learning Startup Kit by DigitalAccelerator.com helps you discover a viable course idea and then launch your online business as quickly and as efficiently as possible. How? It's simple. We reverse the traditional process. We're going to help you pre-sell your course so you don't waste a single minute of your time creating something that no one will buy. Creating a course can be very time-consuming, so you shouldn't invest that time until you know for sure that it will be worth it. Selling your course before creating it has immense benefits. You'll get cash flow up front, which eliminates any risk of wasting your time for no return. You'll build momentum, gain confidence, and feel motivated to launch your business. You'll create a much better product thanks to live feedback as you release content. And most importantly, there's no better way to validate your idea than getting real paying customers. Plus, many of your best customers will be happy to pre-order your course and get access to it early. Just look at the success of sites like Kickstarter. So here's the process. First, we're going to lay the foundation for a sustainable and profitable business. Starting an online business is not rocket science. There are no hidden secrets to uncover or holy grail to find. However, there are 3 basic pillars that are essential to any successful online course business. Number 1, you need a viable idea with enough market demand. Number 2, you need a branding strategy to stand out in that market and attract customers. And number 3, you need to be able to deliver real results to your students. Without any one of those 3 pillars, your business will either be unprofitable, unsustainable, or both. Next, after setting that foundation, we're ready to hit the ground running. In fact, there are only 2 more things you'll need to officially launch your business. You'll need a website and platform for hosting, marketing, and growing your business. And you'll need a powerful sales page capable of converting prospects into customers. Here, we've done 80% of the heavy lifting for you. so you can simply swipe our proven template and customize it for your course. And that's it. After this startup kit, you will be equipped with the tools you need to succeed, including a viable idea that has enough market demand, a sustainable strategy to carve out your own slice of that market, a refined course outline that will guarantee your product can really deliver results, a beautiful website and platform for hosting, marketing, and growing your business, and finally, a high-converting sales page that you can start using immediately to pre-sell your course before you even create it. In other words, your online business will officially be live and launched. Time is of the essence, and this opportunity in the market won't be around forever. So let's get started on launching your online course business today.